Welcome to our channel. If your passport is expiring soon or has already expired, follow these step-by-step instructions to renew it online quickly and conveniently without visiting a passport office. Step 1. Check your eligibility for online renewal. Your current passport must be undamaged, issued when you were 16 or older, and issued within the past 15 years. Visit your country's official passport website to verify requirements. Step 2. Go to the official government passport renewal website. For U.S. citizens, this is travel.state.gov. Create an online account or log in if you already have one. Step 3. Fill out the online renewal application form completely. You'll need to provide personal information, including your current passport number, full name, date of birth, and contact details. Step 4. Prepare a recent passport photo that meets official requirements. The photo must be taken within the last 6 months, showing a clear front view of your face against a plain white background. Step 5. Upload your digital passport photo to the online application. Ensure the photo meets all size, quality, and formatting requirements specified by the passport agency. Step 6. Pay the renewal fee using a credit card, debit card, or electronic payment method. The standard adult passport renewal fee is typically around $130, though expedited services cost extra. Step 7. Review all information carefully before submitting your application. Double-check spellings, dates, and personal details to avoid processing delays or rejections. Step 8. Submit your application online and mail your current passport to the address provided. Processing typically takes 6 to 8 weeks for routine service, or 2 to 3 weeks for expedited service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.